It's 2030, your alarm doesn't ring anymore. Because I already knows when you should wake up. Your coffee is prepared before you enter the kitchen. Your car arrives before you ask for it. Your job, your health, your shopping, your entertainment. All controlled by artificial intelligence. Convenient, absolutely dangerous. In 2030, your home becomes your personal AI ecosystem. Your AI assistant tracks your sleep quality, stress levels, heart rate, and even predicts your mood before you speak. Your mirror recommends skincare based on real-time facial analysis. Your refrigerator orders groceries automatically before food runs out. And every device around you learns your habits, every single day. By 2030, human driving becomes rare. AI-controlled vehicles communicate with each other in milliseconds, reducing accidents, traffic, and fuel waste. Delivery drones replace traditional logistics. Traffic lights no longer work on timers. AI predicts traffic before congestion even happens. But there's one big question. If AI controls transportation, what happens when the system fails? The workplace of 2030 looks very different. AI writes reports, designs websites, edits videos, answers customer support, and even creates software. Many traditional jobs disappear, but new opportunities emerge for people who understand AI, automation, creativity, and systems thinking. The people who survive in 2030 won't be the hardest workers. They will be the fastest learners. Schools are transformed forever. Instead of one teacher teaching 50 students, every student gets a personalized AI tutor. AI identifies weak subjects instantly. Lessons adapt in real time based on attention span, emotions, and learning speed, but this future comes with a cost. In an AI-controlled world, privacy becomes optional. Every click, every purchase, every conversation, every movement tracked. Deepfakes become impossible to detect. AI can manipulate opinions, elections, markets, even reality itself. Governments and corporations gain unprecedented power through data. And the scariest part, 2030 won't be fully controlled by AI. It will be controlled by the people who control AI. Artificial intelligence can cure diseases, solve climate problems, revolutionize education, and unlock human potential like never before. Or, it can become the greatest surveillance and control system in human history. The future isn't decided by machines, it's decided by the humans building them. So the real question is not, will AI control the world? But, who will control AI? What do you think the world will look like in 2030? Would you trust AI with your life? Comment below. And subscribe to Tech Upside for more future tech content.